Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be making some Jamaican coconut cake, otherwise called Toto. If you're interested in seeing how it's done, then keep on watching. So guys, these are all the ingredients that I will be using today. I have some all-purpose flour, grated ginger, coconut flakes, brown sugar, melted butter, some coconut milk. I'm using the organic one. If you have the one in the can, you can use it. I also have some almond and rose essence, vanilla, nutmeg, cinnamon, baking powder, and some salt. In a bowl, I am going to mix all the dry ingredients together. A full breakdown of the measurements will be down below in the description box. Next, in a separate bowl, I will be adding the coconut milk, sugar, melted butter, almond and rose essence, and some vanilla, and I'm going to mix it well. Next, I am going to mix my dry and wet ingredients together. This is the baking tin that I will be using today. I just poured some melted butter in it and I am distributing it evenly. The reason for doing this is so that the cake doesn't stick to the tin. Next, I am pouring my mixture into the baking tin and I am going to allow this to bake for about 1.5 hours at 350 degrees. The oven is already preheated. Guys, this is how it is looking after 1.5 hours. It was extremely tasty. Y'all need to give it a try. I am glazing it with some melted butter just to keep the moisture locked in and give it that beautiful sheen. And guys, make sure to let it cool before you cut it. And there you have it guys, some Jamaican coconut cake, otherwise called Toto. Don't forget to give this recipe a try. Don't forget to like this video. Drop a comment down below. Until next time, bye guys.